wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl.
Hey guys, I'm coming to you with another video. This is the Alley Pearls wig that I told you guys about in the last video. This is me just washing the hair, showing you the 5x5 lace with a little bit of baby hairs in the front. And this is the wig fresh out of the packet. This is me showing you the inside of the wig, showing you the cap construction, 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back with the adjustable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to saturate the hair with some water, wet it really good, and get it all ready. And then I'm going to go in with this conditioner. Not conditioner. I'm going to go in with this shampoo that I used on my own hair, which I love it. It feels very good. It makes the hair very luscious and healthy, and it smells really good, and it doesn't strip the hair. So I'm going to use that conditioner, and then I'm going to shampoo the hair and rub it all in, because as you guys know, you don't want your wigs to be dry. So you have to be careful what type of shampoo that you use, because it's not growing out of the scalp. So you want to keep all of the oils locked in the hair. And what am I doing is I'm showing you guys how to actually wash your unit. You're not going to use a brush or anything like that. If you do want to brush your hair, brush it before you wash it. Remember, this is the wig, so you can't do everything you would to your hair onto the wig. So I'm just, going through, detangling it with my fingers, washing it really good. I'm telling you right there, don't rub it in like you rubbing a bar of soap through a towel. Just run your fingers through your hair with the soap so you can get it evenly, because if you do it like that, the hair will get tangled and knotted, and then you're going to have to comb it out and brush it or whatever you use to detangle your wigs. So what I'm doing right here is I'm rubbing the soap on the top of the hair. Don't take your shampoo and just squeeze the soap at the top. Just take a little bit and just rub it at the top. And when you're washing the hair, all of the soap will just run through the whole unit. Don't brush your unit. Just run your fingers through it and get it detangled and just rub it at the top. going to go in and wash the hair for the second time to get that last wash in, to get it real nice and clean and just fresh and just smelling real good. And also, you guys, I didn't show on the video, but I did wash the inside of the cap where the cap is going to touch your hair. You really want to wash that really good. Sorry, you guys, if my voice sound like a little hoarse. I did just wake up and my throat is, I guess, a little bit dry. I don't have a cold, but it's just a little bit dry. So sorry about that, you guys. But yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Wash it the second time. And then I'm going to wash the hair out and run it under the water. And then I'm going to use the conditioner that goes with the shampoo. Also, I will list the shampoo and conditioner that I use in the description below. I really recommend that you guys go and try out that conditioner. It smells really good. It gets the hair clean without stripping all of the oils, and it adds that softness and that lush feeling to your hair, and it makes it very hydrated. So